Guys, Smoking Bears here. Got a little something different. This goes out to Corey. Said I needed to shoot a video on this, so this is what I got going on. Spam bites. Crazy, I know. Basically, I'm going to cut these up into 1-inch cubes. Cover them in a kind of sweet rub. Not a lot of salt, because the Spam has salt. A lot of salt in it. And then we'll put them out on the grill and let them go. Smoke up a little bit. So let me show you what we got. Alright, so here it is. Here's the block, straight out of the can. I'm going to cut about some thick slices here. Alright. Cut it like that. Thirds one way, thirds the other way. Roll it up. Cut it in half. If you're doing this for a party, you may need to do a bunch. They were actually pretty good. I enjoyed them. Now I'm going to see the kind of bite size there. A little bigger than bite size, but that's fine. So now take our little bear rub, season them up. And this has got coconut sugar in it. You guys seen me use this before. I don't know if we've done an actual video on it, but and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them on this rack. Once you get them all coated up real good, set them on this rack. So let me do that. Let me finish doing this and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is what they look like. I just coated each side, tossed it. No need for a binder because you got all that slimy fat or whatever Spam juice. You see it in there on it, so the rub sticks really well. So let's head out to the cooker and out to the Weber kettle, and it's already heated up. And let's go out there, guys. There it is. Spam bites are on the kettle. Got a little hunk of cherry wood. So I'll let that go for an hour and then we'll check them out. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got pea with me. These Spam bites, they was on the cooker, they was on the Weber 30-40 minutes. I'm not sure. Kind of lost track of time doing other stuff. So here's what we got. Boom. Look at that. Isn't that kind of gorgeous? Some sort of gorgeous. Yes, sir. Autofocus and bam. All right. So we are going to give this a taste test. Now, this was the low sodium Spam with our bear rub. So when I probed it, it was about 195 or so. Nice. You get the Spam flavor, but it's not too salty. It's
very sweet and crispy.
Yeah, the coconut sugar in the rub, kind of caramelized. You can hear that. You gave it a nice crunch. I think that's good. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Pass?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you have it. Kid approved. Mm-hmm. That's Spam bites. All right. What do we say?
Go out there, have some fun, cook with your kids, have family barbecues together.
Stays together.
Later.
Have a good weekend.